बहुत दिन से सोच रहे हैं।
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon.
Morning, good afternoon, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, have you rechecked my maths notebook?
Ashish, can you send a WhatsApp message? I forgot.
Okay, sir. Sir, WhatsApp, sir, I have to send that PDF also.
No, send a WhatsApp message to me personally. I have your PDF. You emailed the PDF, na?
Yes, sir.
I have it. So just send a WhatsApp message to me personally, bus. That
Okay,
sir,
sir.
please recheck my copy. ऐसे करके, and write your name also. I will recheck it. So we are doing the chapter surface area and volume, and we are on question. We are doing the second exercise of the chapter, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, 14 question we are doing.
We have done 13th question, correct? We have to do the 14th one. A rectangular vessel 22 centimeters by 16 by 14 centimeters is full of water. If the total water is poured into an empty cylindrical vessel of radius 8 centimeter. Okay. So let me explain the question, everyone. Can anyone of you tell me? Yes. All of you, can you try to explain the question? Anyone? Question 14. Read the question and try to explain it. Please keep your videos on. Mandina will explain us the question. Mandina, question 14. Try to explain the question. Yes. This is exercise 20B. Pranjali, can you try to explain the question? Ashish Jadhav has left the meeting. Pranjali, can you try to explain? Mayank, can you try to explain the meaning of the question?
Sir, a rectangular vessel 22 centimeter is length, sir, 16 centimeter breadth, and 14 centimeter height is full of water. If the total water is poured into cylindrical vessel of radius 8, find the height of water in a cylindrical vessel. We have to find the height of water in a cylindrical vessel.
Okay. So what is the meaning? What do you have to do in the question? What is given and what is to be done in the question? Can you explain?
Sir, length, breadth, and height of rectangular vessel and radius of cylindrical vessel.
And what is to be done?
Full of water, sir, rectangular.
Okay, so this is a rectangular vessel. I am explaining, all of you. Please pay attention. This is a rectangular vessel. It is full of water. Okay, the vessel is full of water. There is water inside the vessel. Okay. Now this water is to be length, breadth, and height of the rectangular vessel are given. If the total water is poured into an empty cylindrical vessel, now there is a cylindrical vessel, empty vessel, cylindrical vessel. So this is the cylindrical vessel, suppose. Okay, this water is to be poured into this cylindrical vessel. Okay, so we know the radius of this vessel. Radius of the vessel is given. What is the radius given? 8 centimeter. The radius of the vessel is 8 centimeters. Now, when you pour all the water from the rectangular vessel into the cylindrical vessel, it will fill the cylindrical vessel to a particular height. It will not fill it completely because the cylindrical vessel is of larger dimensions. Okay, it is big in size, cylindrical vessel. So it will not fill completely. It will fill up to a certain height. You have to find the height till which the water will be filled into the cylindrical vessel. Okay, we have to find this height. The dimensions of the rectangular vessel are given. Length 22, breadth 16 and height 14. Breadth is 16 and height is 14. Okay, everyone understood what is given and what is to be done in the question? I'm not asking you how it is to be done, how will you find the height? This is not the question. I'm just asking whether you have understood that what is given in the question and what is to be done. This you all have understood? Okay. So how will you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So
First,
how
we
will
have find the volume of rectangular vessel.
correct? Actually, the water which is to be poured into the cylindrical vessel, the volume of water will remain the same. Am I right? The volume of water will not change. The volume will
Yes, sir.
same. The volume of water which is there in rectangular vessel and the volume of water will be now which it will be there in the cylindrical vessel after pouring. The volume will not change because the same water is poured into the cylindrical vessel. So that means we can write down the volume of the two things equal. We can put the volumes equal. Volume of cylindrical vessel is equal to volume of water, not cylindrical, sorry, cuboid is rectangular vessel, not cylindrical. This is rectangular vessel. Volume of rectangular vessel. Where is the cursor? Yeah. Volume of rectangular vessel is equal to volume of water in cylinder. The volume will remain same. What is the volume of rectangular vessel? 22 into 16 into 14. Length into breadth into height. Volume of water in cylinder, what is the formula?
A- L into B into H.
Cylinder.
Sir.
Uh,
Type pi r square H.
pi r square h. 22 upon 7 into r square. 8 into 8 into h. So this is the formula of volume of a cylinder. Now from this equation, can we find h? Yes, we can easily find it. That will be the height to which the water will be filled inside the cylinder. So let's solve it. 22 into 16. Have you all understood the concept of the question or not?
Yes, sir.
So 22 and 22 you can cancel. 8, 2, 4, 2, 7. Height is equals to 49 upon 2 centimeters, which is equal to 24.5 centimeters.
5 centimeter.
Have you all understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Please note down the question in your copies. Done, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start the next one. Ready for the next one, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, question number 15. A piece of ductile metal is in the form of a cylinder of diameter 1 centimeter and length 11 centimeter. Okay, so there is a cylinder of diameter 1 centimeter and length 11 centimeter. It is drawn out into a wire of diameter 1 millimeter. What will be the length of the wire so obtained? So what we have done, we have changed the shape of a cylindrical vessel into a wire. So cylindrical piece of metal. Okay, there is a cylindrical piece of metal. So this is the suppose cylindrical piece of metal. Okay. Now what we have done here, we have used this cylindrical piece of metal and we have made a wire out of it. So suppose this is the wire, very thin wire is a thin cylinder. Am I right or not? What is the shape of a wire? Can we say that a wire is a very thin cylinder? Wire is also
Yes, sir.
cylindrical in shape, right?
Yes, sir.
It
Yes.
is a very,
Yes.
very thin wire. Sorry, very, very thin cylinder. It is also a cylinder, but a very thin cylinder. So we have changed the shape of this cylindrical metal, piece of metal, into a wire, which is again a cylinder only. The only thing is that the diameter will be changed and the height will be changed. Shape is not changed. Diameter and height will be changed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is this? What will be the length of the wire? You have to tell this. What will be the length of the wire? Let the length of the wire be h. Let the length of the wire be h. What is the diameter of this wire given? The diameter of the wire is 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter is the diameter. Can we say it is 1 upon 2? Sorry, the radius is 1 upon 2 millimeter. It gives you
0.5 millimeter.
0.5 also. You can do 1 upon 2 millimeter. And in this case, the diameter is, so let's put capital D here. Capital D. The diameter of the original cylinder is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. That means the radius capital R is, now if you change 1 centimeter in millimeters, you get 10 millimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So that means the radius will be 5 millimeters. Okay, and the height of
Yes,
the
sir.
original cylindrical piece of metal is given 11 centimeters, right? 11
Yes,
centimeters.
sir.
Okay. So, yeah. Now, can we say that the volume of the two pieces, when the shape of the piece is changed, it is made into a wire, the volume of the wire will remain the same? Am I right
Y-
or not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Because
sir.
the same amount of metal is used in it to make the wire. We have used the same amount of metal. That means the volume will remain the same. So we
Yes,
can
sir.
say that volume 1 is equal to volume 2. What is volume 1? Pi r square h. Pi r square means 5 into 5. 5 into 5. H is 11 centimeter, which is also equal to 110 millimeters. So 110. Okay, we are writing all the dimensions in millimeters. So it is 110 millimeters, the height. Okay, don't forget to change the dimensions. So 110 millimeters is the height of the original cylinder. Now here again the formula will be same, pi r square h. What is the radius in this case? The radius is 1 upon 2. The height is not given. Okay, so pi and pi will be cancelled.
Cell.
So 5 into 5 into 110 into 2 into 2 is equal to h. Therefore, we can say that h is equal to 11000 millimeters. This is the
Yes, sir.
height of the wire in millimeters. If you change it in meters, then it will be 11 meters. You can divide by 1000, you will get the height in millimeters. Sorry, meters. By dividing it
Yes,
by
sir.
1000, we can get it in meters. Okay, so the wire will be of 11-meter length. This will be the length of the wire. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question 16, everyone try it. Same concept, exactly same concept. Do it. This time we are changing the shape of a cube into a wire. Okay, we are changing the shape of cube into a wire. So again, the volume of the two shapes will remain same, but this time you will use, for volume of cube, you will use the formula side cube. Okay, start doing it. Question 16 and post your answer in the group. Yes, done. Post your answer, all of you. Done or not?
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Very good. Please post it in the group.
Sir, posted.
Very good.
Sir, posted.
Very good. There is some difference in the units that you both have written. Let me check where is the mistake. Any one of you have done some mistake in unit. Volume of the cube is 10.648 centimeter cube. Mayank,
Yes, sir.
you have used the radius of cylinder in millimeters. Convert it in centimeters and then use it. Your answer will come in centimeters because you have used the side of the cube in centimeters in the question, and you have
Okay,
used
sir.
diameter of cylinder in millimeters. You cannot use two different units in the same question. So change the radius of the wire in centimeters and then solve it. Okay, your answer will also be in centimeters. Otherwise, it is correct. The concept is correct. I hope you will complete it. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 17. Mandina and Tanmay, you have not posted the answer. How many cubic meters of earth must be dug out in sink to sink a well? Sorry. How many cubic meters of earth must be dug out to sink a well which is 20-meter deep and has a diameter of 7 meters? If the earth so dug out is spread out a rectangular spread over a rectangular plot of 28 meter by 11 meter, what is the height of the platform so formed? Very good. Can you tell me, explain any one of you how to do the question? Try. Good question. Yes. Anyone? Read the question carefully. Just try to explain it. No problem if you are not explaining it absolutely correctly. There is no problem. Even if you are wrong, there is no problem. Okay. Yes. Read it and try to explain. Yes, it is an easy question. Anyone? No one? See, there is a we have taken out some earth to dug out to sink a well. We are constructing a well, and when we are constructing a well, we take out the earth. That means we take out the mud and all these things from the ground. Am I right? To dig a well, we take out the mud and all. That is known as earth. Okay, earth taken out from
Yes,
the
sir.
ground. Okay, so in the first part, there are two parts of the question. In the first part of the question, you just have to tell that what is the volume of the well. Okay, the dimensions are given. 20-meter deep. We have to. That means this is the height of the well. It is 20-meter deep, and the diameter is 7 meters. So that you have to find out how much earth is taken out. What you have to do? You have to find the volume of the well. Okay, which is to be constructed. So this is the first part, and then in second part, the earth that we have taken out from the well to construct the well, we are using that earth to spread on a rectangular plot. There is a rectangular plot. We are spreading that mud on a rectangular plot. So that means the height of the rectangular plot will increase. Am I right or not? If you are putting something over some other thing, the height will increase, right? So we are
Yes,
putting
sir.
this mud on a rectangular plot so that it will increase the height of the rectangular plot. So you have to tell that how much height is increased. The length and breadth of the rectangular plot is given. So that means in the second part of the question, you already know the volume of the mud. We know the volume. We know the length and breadth of the rectangular plot. We have to find the height. Okay. So this is the second part. Let's do the first part. First, we have to find the volume of the earth taken out. Volume of earth taken out is equal to pi r square h. 22 upon 7. What is the radius in this case? The radius is 7 upon 2. Diameter is 7. That means the radius is 7 upon 2. Okay. What is the height? The height is 20. Okay. All of you. So 11
Yes, sir.
and this will be 10. So 7 into 11, 77 into 10. So 770 meter cube is the total volume of earth that is taken out. First part over. Second part, find the height of the platform. It will look like a platform if you put all the mud on a rectangular plot. It will look like a platform. Platform is thoda sa rise ho jata hai level. So that is known as platform. So you have to find the height of that platform. Okay. So for this, we will use the formula volume is equal to L into B into H because it is a rectangular plot. Okay, so we will use the formula volume equals to L into B into H. Now we already know the volume 770. What is the length of the plot? 28. What is the breadth? 11 meters. We have to find the height. Got it? So H is equal to
Yes, sir.
770 upon 28 into 11. Divide by 7, 110, 4, divide by 11, 10, 10 upon 4, 5 upon 2. That means 2.5 meters. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt in the question now? So this will be the rise in the platform, the height of the platform. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's do question number 19 first. Question 18 will take some time. It will take 10-11 minutes to explain the whole question. Question 18 is a little lengthy one. We don't have this much time in this period. So we will do question 19 in this period, and question 18 we will do tomorrow. Okay. So there in question 19 there is a road roller that takes 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road. There is a road roller. Do you know what is a road roller? It is kind of this. This is a road roller. Have you seen it? You push it from the handle. This is the handle of the road roller. You push it from the handle of the road roller, and then it is used to level the road. Okay. It those road rollers, some road rollers can be used manually also, and some are used or using those big matlab, what do we call it, automobile kind of road rollers. Okay, tractor kind of thing you must have seen. Okay, so some are like this also. So this road roller is it takes 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of the road roller is 84 centimeter and the length is 1 meter. This road roller has length 1 meter and the diameter of the road roller is 84 centimeters. Okay. Length is 1 meter. This can be converted in centimeters, so it becomes 100 centimeters. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to find out that what will be the area of the road if it takes 750 complete revolutions to cover the whole road with this road roller. Do you know, if we rotate, suppose this is a road roller, if I am rotating it once on a road, then how much area is covered? Can you tell me? If I rotate once the road roller, if I revolve it once on a road, suppose, then how much area will it cover? Can you tell me? The area covered will be equal to the curved surface area of the road roller. Am I right or not? What is being rolled on the road? क्या चीज रोल हो रही है रोड पे? क्या रोल हो रहा है? The curved surface area of the roller. Am I right or not? So how much area is covered if
Yes,
it
sir.
is rotated once? If it is revolved once on the road, how much area is covered? Equal to the CSA of the roller. So in one revolution, area covered in one revolution is equal to the curved surface area of road roller. Are you getting this point or not? This is the most important concept of the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you find the CSA, 2 pi RH. What is the radius? 42. What is the height? 100. So 6 into 2 into 22. Multiply. 12, 22, 220, 220 plus 44, 264, right? 26400 centimeters square. Am I right or not? Now, this is the curved surface area. That means if it is rolled one time, the area covered is 26400, but we are revolving it 750 times to cover the whole load. 750 times it is revolved. So area covered in 750 revolutions. Area is equal to the area of road. So area of road, we can find area of road by multiplying the CSA by 750. Why 750? Because it is taking 750 revolutions. So multiply the CSA by 750 and find the area of road. Are you getting the concept of the question? This is clear or not? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Find out the area of road. Just a minute. When I am teaching you, I don't know why I forget sending the link in the next class.